skills that are found inside of various different styles, okay, all of that training is geared towards training for the expected. Why? Because this is what it's predicated off of.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
Most people out there, when they think about being able to defend themselves, what they do automatically is they think about a style. They think about a style of fighting. They think about a style of martial arts, a style of competing, something they're seeing on TV. They think about a style. But a style, you have to understand, is all about just developing a set of skills. So if you want to go kickbox, if that's the style, whether that's Western kickboxing or Muay Thai, that style is going to teach you a specific set of skills. If you want to go take Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, that style is going to give you a specific set of skills. Whatever art, if you want to take traditional martial arts, karate, kung fu, whatever it is, you are going to practice a style, you're going to pick a style, and you're going to get a specific set of skills. But I want you to understand something. The specific set of skills and styles are all about training for the expected. Right? Training for the expected. Why? Because you see this. A single competitor training in a style, learning a specific set of skills. Skills like punches, and skills like kicks, and skills like arm bars. These skills that are found inside of various different styles, okay, all of that training is geared towards training for the expected. Why? Because this is what it's predicated off of. A single competitor. You know what to expect when you get into a cage, when you get into a ring, when you go to a tournament, when you spar in your club at night. When you are practicing the style, you're training for the expected. The single competitor expected. Now, many people say that's not true. My style is giving me a set of skills that is preparing me for the unexpected. Well, no, that's not true. If you're going to bridge away from training for the expected, then what has to happen is you have to start talking strategy.